Are you curious about vintage-inspired scrapbooking paper? Today, Graphic 45 is thrilled to introduce not one, but two paper collections. We have Curiouser and Curiouser and Seasons to Celebrate. So whether you're crafting for the season or embracing the whimsical fantasy world, we've got so much inspiration. These paper collections come in two sizes. We've got the 8x8 and the 12x12. You can see here, you're going to get the 8x8 is a shrunk down version of that 12x12. So they are great for different types of projects. This one is great for cards and smaller albums. And this one is great for your full-sized 12x12 scrapbook layouts or your home decor projects. Season to Celebrate has not one, two, three, but 5 different coordinating embellishments to go along with those papers to make your crafting a cinch. So you're going to see with the winter, you have this great cut apart, this nice background. And then you're also going to get a winter floral, gorgeous colors and florals with another simple background to work with. That's going to make creating your projects super simple. Everything's going to be cohesive and look great together. Spring floral. Love those pinks and purple. We've got our summer cut apart here. You know, we've got some big sunflower fans out there, so this one is for you. Our autumn cut apart. How cute is this? Bird. Great orange on the back. Our autumn floral. And then with the 8x8, you get 3 of each of those sheets in there. So it gives you a lot to work with. So you never have to worry or fret about cutting up a beautiful paper because you have so much to work with. And then with the 12x12, you get 2 of each of those sheets. And here we have our 12x12 patterns and solids. You can see this is absolutely gorgeous, rich with color, and some great subtle patterns on there. So one of the questions we get on our social media all the time, how to find coordinating cardstock to go with our vintage color palette. And so our patterns and solids is the response we have to that. So this is going to be great for your photo mats, your card bases. Also, if you're new to Graphic 45, this is a great way to get started as well. You can see these are much more approachable and simple. And then you can pick up one of those pads to go with it and just cut out some of those easy to cut out elements or pick up some embellishments. And you have yourself a little crafty Wonderland. So I showed you the papers. Now let's take a tour through the embellishments. Here you can see we've got these great card stock stickers. You get 2 sheets that are both 6x12 inches. One got this intricate die cuts of great birds and seasonal sayings. Here with this collection, we have a new item. We've got our calendar ephemera cards. So here you're going to get 2 of each of these 4x6 cards. So these are great because they have the calendars, of course, and these great frames and sayings on the back side. But of course, you could always cut out an oval photo or a rectangle and use these as gorgeous photo mats. They're also great for card toppers or just tucking into your scrapbooks. You can make a planner with this. Calendar, of course. Let us know what you would create with the Season to Celebrate calendar ephemera in the comments. And do you have a favorite month? Does it happen to be your birthday month? Mine might be, I don't know, maybe it's also December, which is my son's birthday month, but also I'm a huge Christmas fan. Growing up with our mom, everybody in my family is a giant Christmas fan because she always made it so special. Just like she's making these paper collections, intricate and special with all those details. My mom would always go above and beyond with the handmade presents and make us dresses and nighties every year for Christmas as well, just making it so. Next up, we've got our chipboard tags and frames. So you're going to get 30 different assorted pieces in here. Let me just pull some of those out, and you're going to see so many usable things. So we've got this large tag. How great is that? It's going to be great on a card front or an album. Frames to your frame all those great photos. So we see you out there taking all those photos, but it's time to print those out and put them to the page. We've got 2 more embellishments for Season to Celebrate. We've got our brand new rub-on transfer set. You get 2 different sheets in there, so great florals. So you're going to have some great little backgrounds. These are great for those mixed media artists out there. But if you don't want to pull out your stamps, these are great to just add to your projects. They add dimension and layer. And then we've got some more of the detailed stuff, but these are also going to be beautiful on glass or any of your home decor projects. And then last but not least, our ephemera assortment. These always sell out super fast. No matter how many we bring in, we can never stock them. They're just a huge favorite, and you can see why when I pull these out. So you're going to get all these die cut pieces, these gorgeous florals. But these make crafting so simple and make Graphic 45 really approachable. So pick up one of those patterns and solids paper packs and your ephemera set, and you can be crafting in no time. How cute are these? You have a favorite in the set, this little spoon. We got this stacked teacups. As someone who loves a cup of tea, I think this collection is going to be so much fun for some of my photos I have just waiting in the wings. Step into Wonderland with Graphic 45's Curiouser and Curiouser. So with this collection, we've got the patterns and solids, the 12x12, and of course the 8x8. And it's just like this Season to Celebrate, where the 8x8 is a shrunk down version of the 12x12. And you're going to get 3 of each of these gorgeous 8x8 papers in that 8x8 collection pack. Colors are rich, and these papers are detailed, of course. They feature the Alice in Wonderland images. Fun new take on that with the red, gold, and black. So we are thinking these are going to be so much fun for your Valentine's romantic projects. Also, all of you crafters out there who love a little bit of dark academia, mixed media, this is going to be the collection for you. It's so sweet. Dare I say, regal and elegant, but also whimsical and a little bit silly. We'd love to hear what you want to create with these papers in the comments below. So let us know what you're thinking about creating. I love these journaling cards. So that is just a walkthrough. The 8x8s, the 12x12s are the same, but you get 2 of each of those sheets in there. Here's our patterns and solids. So all those great images. We have come out with some other Alice in Wonderland collections before. They've always been best sellers. They've always sold out super quick. And the projects that you've all made with these Alice in Wonderland collections have been absolutely phenomenal. So if you want to see what people are doing with our Graphic 45 papers, go ahead and check out our Instagram or join us on our Facebook community page. where you can see what other graphic 45'ers have created. Curiouser and Curiouser has 4 coordinating embellishments to go along with those papers. Starting with our chipboard tags and frames, you can see we've got 30 different pieces in here. These are always some of our designers' favorites. With cute little label plates. Got tags, frames with a little sentiment spot. So many fun little pieces in here. So are you feeling season to celebrate or Curiouser and Curiouser? Let us know in the comments. Cute little butterfly and oval. This rabbit. We've got the Curiouser and Curiouser stickers. We get 2 different sheets in there. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. The ephemera assortment. This one comes with 65 assorted pieces. I'm just going to grab out a handful of these to show you just a sampling of what you're going to get in here. So how great are these die cuts? You don't have to pull out your Cricut or your die cutting machine. You can just pull out your ephemera set and start creating with these clever little pieces. If you're looking for more project inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do lots of tutorials on here, and we'll teach you how to use all of these gorgeous papers. And last but not least, we've got our rub-on transfer sheets. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the way these smell. I know some people love the way graphic 45 papers smell as well, but for me, it's the rub-ons. You get 2 sheets in there. Many different pieces to work with. And of course, a little popsicle stick so you can rub those on all your different surfaces. And of course, if you're looking for some fun embellishments, Graphic 45 does have a staples category where we offer fun things like glitter washi, pre-made albums, and even some trim. Both of these paper collections are now available. You can shop them on our website at g45papers.com or at your local G45 retailer. Go ahead, start creating with these gorgeous collections and share your projects with us using the Graphic 45 hashtag. And of course, if you're looking for great inspirational ideas, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new fun and fabulous video. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.